Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you want to go into the settings. From here, scroll down to storage and tap on your SD card. This will take you to the storage itself. So from here, tap on the three dots, go to settings and choose format. Now this will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you simply don't want to, tap on erase and format and the process will begin. Now this takes only several seconds, and once it's completed, as it's right now, all you need to do is click on done and you're completely finished with it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.